Hello everyone. So this is the last session of this induction program. We'll wait for another 2 minutes. Let the people join and we'll start. Thank you everyone for sharing your greetings. Fine. So we have lots of things to discuss today. Sohan Subsavar. Fine. So I guess there are more than 50 students joined, so we can start today's session. Fine. Okay. So last time we had a discussion on JM. Just a minute. So उस सेशन में हमने काफ़ी सारे बच्चों को बोला था सो यू कैन सिलेक्ट वन टॉपिक एंड यू कैन स्पीक ऑन इट. सो आज वही टॉपिक हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे फॉर हाफ एन आवर और आफ्टर हाफ एन आवर we'll have another thing to go for. This is the link. You can click on the link. आप वहाँ पे देख सकते हो टॉपिक्स 150 टॉपिक्स हैं वहाँ पे. You can select any one topic and you can speak for 1 minute. फाइन. जिन लोगों ने लास्ट सेशन में बोला था वापस बोलना चाहते दे कैन स्पीक बट द प्रेफरेंस विल बी गिवन टू द स्टूडेंट्स हु कुड नॉट स्पीक लास्ट टाइम. ठीक है. सो 2 minutes टू लुक एट द टॉपिक बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम हमने देखा था इसलिए एंड देन वी विल स्टार्ट. यू नीड टू राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स आई एम रेडी so that I can ask you to speak. We want to complete this by 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock के बाद we'll start another activity, right? As I mentioned in the last session, it is not necessary कि आपको उसी लिस्ट में से कुछ टॉपिक सिलेक्ट करके बोलना है. आप अपने हिसाब से भी कोई टॉपिक सिलेक्ट करके बोल सकते हो. कंडीशन इज यू शुड स्पीक फॉर 1 minute, not less, not more. Dharmik, are you ready? I guess we can start with girls today because generally what happens in last few sessions, girls did not participate initially. They were boys. So we can start with girls today. I want all the girls to show your talent, your skill, your power. So who will come first? Forum, can you start? Gia, can you start? Okay, you can find out a place where you can find less noise and we can hear your voice. So you find out a place. By the time Afnan is ready, so I'll ask Afnan to start. Who is the
Good
timekeeper?
morning, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, Afnan, just a minute. Who is the timekeeper? Our timekeeper, Jaideep. Okay, so Jaideep will be the timekeeper, right? Jaideep, you need to say it.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, at 58 seconds, you need to say stop. All right, so that in 2 seconds he
Sir,
can
am I
stop.
audible?
Yes, you're audible. Fine.
Okay,
So
sir.
Afnan,
Good
you
morning,
can.
sir.
Yeah, Afnan, start.
My Today I will talk about my favorite food. So, my favorite. I am very foodie. First of all, then I love to make a food, and I also cook it very well. And I also like to eat various type of dishes. And I also love. Personally, I love a pizza. That I love. My favorite choice is like extra cheese with olive oils and very vegetables. The pizza can make by me. It's my it's my perfect pizza. I love very I love I like to eat so many dishes like Indian dishes like Gujarati dishes, South Indian, Rajasthani dishes. But personally, my favorite dish is pizza. Thank you, sir.
Afnan, I hate you. How dare you
Okay, sir.
talking
Completed.
about how dare you talking about cheesy pizza in this around 11:45 at lunchtime? How would I spend my entire day?
Sorry, sir.
Right? See, I tell you that there is one common instruction, one advice. Nobody will talk about cheesy pizza
Yes, sir.
in the class. Right? It's very difficult to stay here, call it till
Okay,
4:30.
sir.
Right?
Okay, sir.
Fine. But we'll have a good
Okay.
team up because I'm also very foodie. My friend, my
Yes, sir.
neighbor, my colleague is also foodie. He loves to eat food and he loves to cook food.
Okay.
He's a very good cook,
Okay,
rather. He's
sir.
a chef of our department,
Okay, sir.
and he
When
cooks
we meet,
very sweet, right?
okay, sir.
We'll
When we
meet.
meet, sir,
uh, Definitely, definitely. But
okay, sir.
nobody should do any speak anything with which I have
Okay.
water in my mouth. Otherwise, I'll not mark attendance of that food.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Palna,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Uh, See, you should not talk about anything. No hot dog, no burger, no pizza, nothing doing. Right? Why don't you talk about palak sabji? Why don't you talk about other things? You talk about khichdi, I don't mind it. I'll not feel offended. But no pizzas, please. Right? I request you. Okay. So we'll be the next one. Jaideep, even Jaideep was lost in the world of pizza, so he did not say that time up. Jaideep, this is not fair. You focus on your work. Fine. Now who will come? Who will speak next? Afnan, if you can nominate victim shopping, find out your
Okay,
friend.
sir. Sir, this is a difficult.
We have to do it, no? Okay.
सर आप
Prach,
ही चूज कर लीजिए किसी को.
fine. Hia, can
Okay.
you? अच्छा मैंने हिया बोला जिया नहीं जिया लेफ्ट मीटिंग
Last time.
हिया will you start
Actually, I spoke last time, so I'm not thought of any other topic.
Okay. See, yeah, life is full of surprises, right? So this is a surprise.
Okay. But I had to think about it.
See, who remembers what you spoke last time?
I don't think anybody remembers.
Ah, go ahead with the same one. At least you can give somebody some space to prepare, right?
Uh, Sir, you have put me in a really hard situation right now. I'm completely blank.
See, you people put me in hard situation by speaking about pizzas and all. Why can't I do the same thing?
I need some time, 5-10 minutes.
Fine,
I
no,
will think on another
no
topic.
problem, no problem. Jaideep, yeah, if you are ready, you can start, Jaideep. But I'll get back to you here, right? For a while.
Morning,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, good morning, Jaideep. Come on.
Sir, I would like to speak about animals do have rights to that
Ah,
because I think we all love animals, especially dogs, as we live in this country. But outside, they might prefer cats and all that. But if I wanted to say that, please don't hurt all the animals. If they are hungry, we should give them food and. There is one quotation also like that there are 100 dogs and if any one of them will bite a human then all humans will beat that 100 dogs, but if out of 100 humans if one will feed that dog all 100 dogs will be trustworthy to that human, so that we should learn from them.
okay, good. Fine. Okay, fine. Next time when you speak, everybody, you need to speak little no, louder so that other people can listen to you. Fine. Okay. Bhavya Oza, can you start? Okay. This is a new, new normal. When I ask somebody, they leave the meeting. This is something good. Okay, Shivesh. Shivesh, if you can start, if you can speak. I have many students from Bihar. So anybody from Bihar about Bihar elections, political pressure in Bihar, current scenario of politics in Bihar. If anybody can talk about, कोई है बिहार से अभी क्लास में बैठा है कोई? हेतवी, हेतवी, if you can start. Nirmal, you can speak on this, no problem. Deep Tumor, Forum, if you have come back, you can speak. Sunny, if you can speak. Ninad, Urva, Maheshwari, if you can. Yes, Dharmik, you can.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. My topic is electricity.
Okay.
Sir, electricity is an essential resource for thriving life. It runs our daily life. Without electricity, would be impossible to imagine now. We generate electricity using coal or natural gases. However, people do not realize the natural resources to do as are limited and non-renewable. We must conserve electricity so that we conserve these resources. We have need of electricity. Electricity serves mankind greatly. So, sir, we must stop the wastage of power, or if we do not stop, the world will lose its light if there is no electricity. Moreover, careless behavior by human must be checked. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, JD. Right, thank you, Dharmik. Okay,
Yes, sir. Thank
now
you, sir.
Dhruv Gangdev. See, I want you people to share in the chat box. I am ready. Go with that. I should not ask you, request you to speak. It's your class, it's your activity. I'm here to help you. Then why don't you come up and speak? Paras, what is your status? Sohan, ઇંગ્લિશમાં બોલવાનું છો ફટાફટ ચલો આવી જાઓ.
Okay, sir.
Sohan, start.
My topic is why friends are important to me. Friends are important to me because friends accompany me in both happiness and sorrow. Having fun with friends is the greatest happiness of life. Friends are very helpful. Okay, we will be present by calling day and night. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Everybody, those who are good friends, they're always happy and they're always lucky. Okay, Kashyap. Okay, Drashti, very good. See, this is something that make me proud of you, that you come up and say that I am ready. Drashti, please go ahead. Yes, Kashyap, go ahead.
Hello, sir. Uh,
Yes, go ahead.
Actually, I said in past session about my favorite animal.
Okay, you can see something about next. No problem. We have got 10 minutes to go. Then we'll have another activity.
Okay.
So, do you want to speak again, or do you want to speak on another topic? You can, except the food, especially pizza.
Sir, voice is not clear here.
See, you can speak on any topic except pizza. Or if you want
Okay,
to
sir.
speak on the same topic that you spoke last time, there is no problem.
Okay, sir. So I am saying about my favorite animal. My favorite animal is a lion. Lion is one of the strongest animal in the world. So there are many things which we should learn from the lion. That lion lion is lion keeps focus when it go for hunting, so we should keep focus on our goal, and so we can achieve our goal, and we can be successful in our life. There are many less number of lions, so we should protect of lion. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Okay, Dakshit. Okay, before Dakshit, there is Jyoti. Jyoti, please go ahead.
Uh, Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta.
I am select the topic is number 24 countries I would like to visit. So I would like to visit is a Middle Eastern country, Israel, because Israel is a very beautiful and historical country. There is a Mediterranean Sea, historical Western Wall, Church of the Holy Grail. So I like the country most. Israel is a very safe country. The army name is Mossad is very strong. That's why I would like to visit this country. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, Dakshit.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, my topic is age doesn't matter in your success. So I want to say we have a slogan in our Gujarati that says that Jagiya Tyati Sawar. But the slogan we have taken as that excuse as an excuse to wake late. But slogan actually means that there is no age limit to the be successful in your life. Like there are many examples that we can consider as a successful person at any age, like the founder of a KFC, which we have heard a famous food franchisee. The founder of it, Colonel Sanders, became successful at the age of 62 when he was retired from army. So he is a very great example that even if you are old or even if you are young, that doesn't matter that you can be successful unless you are putting efforts in your work. So yes, that's what I want to say.
Great, great. And no man is old enough to study. So one should continue the journey of study, right?
Yes.
That's a good thing. Okay. Now forum. Have you spoken forum? Forum. Okay. First of all, everybody, you write down your full roll number in the chat box as a attendance, right? So we don't miss out anybody. Everyone. Subham, where are you? I couldn't hear anything from you, Subham, today. Even I couldn't find anything in terms of response from Tushar. So I don't like silent creatures.
Sir,
Vidhi,
I
yep.
spoke
Yes,
yes.
Subham.
I actually spoke on the last lecture.
Yeah, I know that. I spoke for 6 lectures.
Yes, sir.
We need to keep the show rocking, right?
Okay, sir. Give me
Fine.
2 minutes.
No problem. Harshal, Tushar, I want somebody, Divya, even Divya uh, is silent. Vishnu is silent. So this is the last lecture. Come on, I want to listen to your voice. Fine, no issues, Harshal. Take care, beta. Fine. It's a tough time, so make sure that you take medicines. Vishan has been very silent during these sessions. Fine. So we'll like to go for another activity. Fine.
Sir, I have prepared a small speech if you don't mind.
Yeah, why should I? Go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. First and foremost, I would like to thank Jayesh, Ray, Nirmal, and Jaydeep for such creative ideas. And I'm really sorry, sir, because I've selected a topic for food. In fact, non-favorite food. Disclaimer. This speech is an opinion of my own and is not meant to hurt the sentiment of others and is going to be super duper boring. The credits goes to Domino's. All I want to ask them is why? Bharat पूछ रहा है आपसे. Where do you get such ideas from? Combining two amazing different things and boom, it's the most disgusting. Chocolate pizza. Hey Bhagwan. So yeah, that's all I could write in this time. I'm sorry. The imagination is the rest to all of you.
Yes, yes. See, even thank you, Jaideep. Thank you, Hia, for talking about chocolate pizza. Right? See, there are things that looks good in certain places, but people keep on experimenting, and that's the result. We find something new, and we find something boring or disgusting. But that is what we call life, is right. It's full of like that.
They created a new pizza, pasta pizza, and I'm seriously questioning.
Yeah, you can buy two things, by paying one. So if you want to eat pasta and pizza together, you can have pasta pizza. In stomach, it goes together, no? It lies together. It gets digested together. Then why not to eat together, layer on layer? So we are the people who we invite such kind of innovations. Fine, but yeah, I guess enough of pizzas today. Fine, you have completed the quota of pizza. For God's sake, don't talk about pizzas today now, right? We'll talk about something else. I can find lots of smileys in the chat box. People are sharing their happiness by making my mouth watering. Right?
Oh,
So there are 100 reasons why I should hate you people, right?
thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, thank you, beta. Now, see, I'm going to share one chat over there. Yeah. Now you need to prepare for this thing for 2 minutes, right? This is about just a minute thing. This is about sharing thing. What did you like about this proficiency modules, right? These sessions, 6 sessions we conducted. So at least 3 things that you liked, you need to share, right? You need to do 2 things. You need to write in the chat box 3 things. It can be word in form of words, phrases, or sentences. I don't mind it. And then you need to speak. Right, 2 minutes to prepare, and then we'll ask everybody voluntarily to share the details. 2 minutes to prepare. 3 things that you liked, outstanding, your favorite one about proficiency modules. Fine. Take your time and start preparing. Those who could not share their roll numbers, please share your roll numbers without fail, so I can mark your attendance in time, right? Yeah, the people from EC2 also share your numbers. Isha, the other people are they're able to listen to me. You can do one thing. You can watch this recorded video, fine. Or you can do one thing. You leave and join again, if it is possible. The people who will continue or consistently, in the meeting, only those people's attendance will be marked. to find out three things. Yes. So after 1 minute, we'll start one by one. Fine. Yep. So now everybody, make sure that you type and share in the chat box. And then at 12:10, we will start asking people for more details. Ria, you can right now share, no problem. So still 2 minutes. So last 1 minute. No issues forum. Fine. So now, okay. Fine. So now I would like to listen to your voice. Thank you very much for your feedback and suggestions, your comments, your expressions. That will definitely make my day and make my lunch delicious. Though it's not pizza, but there is something I have brought from home, and that will make my Lunch delicious, right? Fine. No issue, Paras. No issue. Fine. See, I never force any of my students, right? There is nothing like that. Great. Thank you. Fine. So we'll start with Subham. Anything, Hindi, English, Gujarati, no problem. But your expressions in a very short encounter, we had a cameo. Cameo means cameo. Cameo means a short role, short appearance. So I met, I interacted with you. I shared my certain details with you people for around 6 hours, and during these 6 hours we could not meet one to one, but still we could develop a kind of rapport. We could build a kind of bridge. Fine. So based on that, I wish that you can share certain things. Fine. Apart from whatever you've written, or if you want to share what you've written, you're most welcome. So next 15 minutes, we'd like to discuss this. So we can have a good memory, left or stored in our minds for the next coming time. Fine. Thank you all for this wonderful words. And I feel very happy to find these things. Shubham, can you start?
Yes, sir.
Please.
In these sessions, we learn how to express ourselves in a mannerful way. Like when we're writing a CV or something like that, we know how to write and what to write about ourselves. So we learned that and we enjoyed that. And then we learned how to improve our English speaking skills. So that's also something we learned. And it was overall just fun lectures. We liked it very much.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Shubham. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
What about others? Okay. Anybody else? Just need to unmute your mic and speaking. Start speaking. Yeah, no need to ask. Come on, Takshit, start.
Yes, sir. Uh, First of all, these lectures help to deal with the stage fear, even we are not seeing each other, but it helps a lot. Second of all, it encourages us to speak forcefully in English, which is very good because in future we will English will very help us in our future streams and wherever we go. And the third thing is everything can be interesting with the proper teacher, just like you. So having you as a lecturer, it was a very nice thing.
Thank you, Takshit.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Come on, everybody. See, I spoke for you many hours. Can't you speak for me for 2-3 minutes? Can we not have the win-win situation? I speak for you, you speak for me, something like that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Dharmik.
यस सर सर हम बहुत सारा इसमें से लर्न करते हैं जैसे कि कोई भी कंपनी आ जाए तो वो पूछती है कि आप इंडियन आर्मी या कोई भी टॉपिक पे बोलिए तो 1 मिनट का होता है सेशन तो अभी से ही हम लर्न कर रहे हैं कि इन शॉर्ट टाइम वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर एनी टॉपिक
Right.
एंड सर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स भी इम्प्रूव होती है एंड
Right.
इंटरेस्टिंग लेक्चर्स होते हैं और इट्स लाइक विन विन सिचुएशन
Right. Great, Dharmik.
यस
Okay, who
सर
else? Next. then who will be the next one to share the details? See, everywhere, whenever I ask you, that I'm giving an opportunity to speak. And if you want to be a good speaker, orator, public speaker, never ever leave a single chance of speaking. Right or wrong, good or bad, let the other people decide. You speak. You do your karma of speaking. So why to worry? Why to feel shy? Why to feel, tensed, stressed? It's about just about whatever your idea, whatever your feelings are. Go for it.
Sir, can I?
Please, forum.
So, sir, all of your lectures were very much enjoyable and funny. Some were interesting also, and all were based on the daily activities we do. So we enjoyed it a lot. And I also used to communicate to my future friends. And બહુ મજા આવી, sir. Thank you, sir,
Okay, thank you,
for
forum.
taking lectures.
All right, thank you. Yeah, anybody from Bihar?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Please,
Am I
Rahul.
audible?
Yes, Mishra ji, boliye, boliye.
Yes, sir. Sir, in your session, I know that how to introduce myself in a good manner in a seminar, interview, and class. And this is the most important things for me. That how to introduce myself. And the second thing, sir, your teaching style is so good, and I like this expression and like this teaching style. And your interactions with the students is also so good. And the third most important thing, sir, my English is not so good, and but you are the only one that's make my English something better. Thank you.
Fine, Rahul. See, Rahul, first thing, your English is good. Don't say that your English is not good, right? So there is nothing like good English, bad English. It's about English
Yes.
only. Start speaking
Thank you.
English, right? If you can
Thank you.
communicate your ideas, right, in English language, then English is good. There's nothing to worry about it. So you start the journey, right?
Okay,
And
sir.
I'm
Thank
happy
you, sir.
that everywhere you have participated. This is something good.
Thank you.
Yes. Anybody else from Bihar? Mishra ji, if you can nominate. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Arnav.
Ji sir, I am from Bihar.
Yes,
Ji sir.
Arnav.
Sir, here some internet issue, so I can't take part in your session. This is my first session.
Okay. So Tiwari ji, would you like to share about today's session?
Hello.
हाँ.
Sir.
Arnav, हाँ.
Yeah, sir.
बोलो
Yes, sir.
बोलो.
I want to share, sir. Your sir interaction with the student is so good. Hello.
Yes, yes, मैं सुन रहा हूँ.
Hello.
हाँ, अर्नव मैं सुन पा रहा हूँ. बोलिए बोलिए आप.
And sir, interacting with the student is so good, your sir. And your teaching style is also good. And sir, this is my first class, so I don't know about more. And there is some internet issue. That's the reason.
Right, right. Okay. But
Yes,
Arnav,
sir.
thank you very much for your kind words. This is life. We need to
Yes.
find out solution from tough times.
Yes.
So internet is a big
Yes,
challenge,
sir.
right? And I know that you
Yes,
will
sir.
find out the solution very soon, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very soon.
Yeah,
Yes,
and
sir.
I hope to see you on the campus very soon, Arnav.
Yes, sir.
Right? So
I am exciting to visit on the campus, sir.
same here. I'm also excited to see you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Shrey.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Shrey. You can speak.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, your lecture was very good. I have learned to improve my communication skills. It is very important thing right now. And English fluency is something I was wondering how to get through that, and you helped me a lot. And new creative ideas from all the students I like the most. And thank you. It was a very nice experience.
Okay, thank you, Shrey. Okay, Dhruv, Vidhi, Ninad, anybody? Kashyap. Yes, Kashyap, tell me.
That was a very helpful and joyful session. I learned many things from the session, like how to give speech in English. How it was also helpful for stage fear, and it was very interesting. I learned that how to manage our time and how to give interview without any hesitate. So it was very helpful for me. Thank you, sir.
So nice of you. Thank you. Yes. Go to the next one. Divya, Dipesh, Gautam, Nirmal, Prince, Om, Hetvi, Maheshwari, Ria.
Can I say, sir?
Yes, Ria, please go ahead.
I wanted to say that first, in the starting of your lectures, I was like uh, feeling bit shy that I would not be able to tell anything in the lectures. But after attending some of your lectures, I was bit confident that I can say, and I enjoyed all of your lectures, and it was fun uh, having doing those of the activities which you said and. Completing about forms and all. So I enjoyed all of them.
Great, great. Yes, Het. Fine. So last activity for 6 minutes. You need to write down one sentence. Listen to me carefully. One sentence that befits Deepak sir. Fine.
ગુજરાતીમાં કયો તો સાહેબ?
કહો સોહન કહું છું. Deepak sir ને related એક sentence, right, that you need to write in the chat box. आपको when you think about your faculty of proficiency module, Deepak sir, what comes to your mind? One sentence that you need to write in the chat box. And the Shrey has started. Shrey is the fastest finger first, winner of this team. Fine. It should be something concrete. Koran. Fine. Rahul, what are you ready for? Sohan, I guess આપણે લોકો સીધા સેકન્ડ સેમેસ્ટરમાં મળશું. We'll meet in the second semester, right? Because English subject is there which is there in first year, but it's offered in second semester. But I'm always available in my office. We can meet anytime when you know go nearby. We have a canteen on the third floor near my office. You know, now you can imagine how foodie I am, right? My office is nearby the nearest contact to the canteen. So whenever you are there during break time, going to canteen, you can drop into my office, right? So
Okay.
fine. So this is the last words from my side. It was great fun to interact with you people. It's very difficult जब आप किसी से मिलते नहीं हो, किसी से बात नहीं किया, फर्स्ट टाइम मिलते हो, और when you expect people responding to you, answering your questions, it is little bit difficult. हम लोग यहाँ पे लास्ट मार्च से, जब से कोविड-19 सिचुएशन आई, लॉकडाउन हुआ, तब से वी कंडक्ट ऑनलाइन सेशंस, but it was something new for you people. But still, on different platforms, you participated, you contributed, you answered. We enjoyed, we laughed together, we learned together, we interacted together, we communicated together. So that was a lot of fun. I feel that I was lucky enough to have you as my students for a shorter period of time, and we enjoyed. Fine. So thank you very much for being there, and hope to see you again very soon on the campus, right?
Sir, can I say something?
Yes, yeah.
I would like to begin with a quote by Jim Rohn, which says, "Our mentors said, let's go do it, and not you go do it." This is
Right.
truly what taught us.
Right.
Agree, and how much difference we have made and improved in our English. Adding to it, we have overcome our stage fear.
Yes.
Of friendly
Thank you.
relations established between the students and the teacher.
Right, here. Here, there is one beautiful proverb in Africa that you alone can go fast, but together we can go far. So it's about team. It's about going together. It's about working together. It is not the era of competition. It's the era of collaboration. Fine. So with this note, I thank you all for being there and listening to me patiently for the few lectures. Hope to see you again. Thank you very much, everybody. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Thank you all. Bye, everyone.
Thank you,
Sir.
Howjo.